Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the second video of our HTML tour. Okay guys, so let's get started here. So guys, here is a basic structure of HTML. Here you can see all the tags and all the elements. All the tags have closing and opening brackets like this. This is a opening bracket and this is a closing bracket for head also. This is for body, it is opening, and this is closing of a body. Inside body you have also two tags like h1 tag and a p tag. They are also have opening and closing tags. Just guys, closing tag contains only one hyphen like this, and opening tags are like open. Okay, so inside a tag you can write down your contents of your web page. You can also have some additional programs into your contents, like giving some JavaScript information to the tags. Also you can also add some attributes to the tags and elements too. So guys, this is a starting of a tag, this is the ending of a tag. This is a common basic structure of HTML page. That is in on the top of the side there will be doc type HTML. That will also not recommended because HTML has removed it, but you will have to use it just to buy clarification. I will show you lot of examples that they don't use doc type HTML. So this is the actually runs on a background of a HTML page. So if you want to write down this, then you can write down or not, that will depend upon you. So HTML, at the top of the side it is a HTML tag, then at the end there will be of HTML tag of a closing. Okay, so inside this old HTML tag, here all the tags will be contained like this. So I will just move it to the right hand side so you can specify all the tags here. So here you can see HTML is on the top and on the bottom. Then here is a head tag closing, and here is a body tag also. Here is body tag closing. Inside a body there are two tags like this. So this is a common basic structure of a HTML page. So guys, HTML page or HTML elements that we have described here can also have attribute for giving some additional information to it, like additional properties like adding some color or adding its italic font or adding its other font style to that attribute or to that element also. So for mostly preferable is that attributes are used inside a tag. Okay, so not preferable to use inside a element content. So guys, in my next video I will show you how you can edit Google page just by your browser. Okay guys, so thank you for watching my video, and I will hope you will like this series of HTML5. I will continue it to the end, and I hope you will like this video and you will subscribe to my channel. So guys, thank you for watching and have a good day.